Guys, today I am putting this thing together and see how it works before I put it in my living room. These are all the parts that came with it. Very curious because it looks really nice. And here is the instruction. It's only one page. Okay, so let's get to it. I will show you at the end. Okay, so for me, I think it is easier if we lay it out like this, you know, before we hook everything up. Because I try to replicate this piece right here, and it's easier if we just lay it out first before we attach anything or connect anything, because it's easier to connect than doing it at the same time, I think. Okay, so well, that's my first thought about it. I'll give you more, you know, tips and stuff at the end, and at the very end I will show you the whole setup and how's everything interconnect and operate. Okay, one more tip for you is that it's easier if you lay it down flat, two pieces like this, and then just connect them, right? And you wiggle it left to right, left to right, and there you go. It's connected. Okay, it's easier than push the whole thing directly together. So that's another tip for you. Okay, so we keep continuing. There we go. Pretty easy, right? Here, one more time. In, left and right, and connect. All right. I'll show you the end result. Okay guys, so this is the end result right here. So now the tricky part is that you can't really find where you insert the battery, but I found it. There's a video tutorial too. I didn't watch any video tutorial, so right here there's a link to YouTube for the video tutorial. I did not look at that, so I figured this out by myself. Is that right here, this piece right here, pop it open. You might want to be careful because it's plastic, and just pull the tab at the bottom here and pull it out. There you go. Alright, so time to insert the battery and test it out. Alright, you ready for the experience? Okay, so the battery is in. Let's turn it on. There you go. There's even a little smoke coming out. There's some light in the front as well. Smoke coming out. That's pretty cool. Right there. That's my complete train station. I mean, the train track is ready for Christmas. Alright.